Hey, before you do anything else, hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my page, hit the notification bell so you know every time I get a video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Do it. You're gonna wanna do it. Just do it now. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're gonna be conversing today. So I'm sitting at my new makeup desk, my new work desk, a little bit of a different view, same room. And today I'm here to unbox some BH Cosmetics that I ordered. If you remember, I did a video of some brushes that I got from BH Cosmetics a while back. I'm still using those. I still love those. I also did a video on how to wash those brushes. I've washed mine after every time I put on makeup because I am prone to acne so bad. So I saw that BH Cosmetics has a sale literally every other day. So I took advantage and I purchased a few things. So what I'm going to do is open this box, show you what I got. And also, before I do that, I do want to let you know a couple of things about BH Cosmetics, okay? I hear great things about their products. Their shipping is going to take a week. No less than a week. Unless you literally live in the same city that it's shipped from, the shipping is gonna take a week. They ship from California, I live in Texas, and my goodness, a full week. They send via FedEx, then FedEx gives it to UPS once they get in your city, and ain't nobody got time. I check my tracking and it is nerve-wracking. An upside to BH Cosmetics is that they offer Afterpay. Afterpay is a no interest payment plan on certain things that you buy online. It's completely free to use. They break up your payments into 4 payments instead of you paying one bulk payment. So I think your minimum order just has to be like 40 bucks and then you'll do $10 payments. I think it's bi-weekly. So it's a really good deal. A couple other places do it too, but BH Cosmetics does it. So if I ever buy something huge, I will use that feature because I'm on a budget. So let's get to this unboxing. All right. Look at my things. Look at my things. Look at my things. Oh, look at my things. All right. The first thing I have is my Royal Affair 5-piece liquid linen set. Linen, L-I-N-E-N, linen set. Oh, so in here, I guess it will have my 5 liquid lipsticks, I'm assuming. I believe I ordered this. I'm not crazy. And one of these items actually came free because I ordered over $30, I think. So here's the bag, very cute. This is adorable. Has a little pom-pom. And inside of it, yep, it is 5 liquid lipsticks. I want to get those colors without the light glaring on them. But it's 5 liquid lipsticks. They're all shades of like blush tones. So that's great. And they go in this little bag. I am very excited to use this bag. I love a sparkle. I really love a sparkle. So let's put this to the side and pull out the next thing. I'm excited to try that lip. I should have left my lips bare and I could have tried one. The next thing in this box is the Petite Chic 6-piece mini brush set. I got this because I'm going to take it with me when I go on vacation. We're going to cruise in a couple of months and I want to take the small brushes in the small bag instead of taking all of my bigger, longer brushes. But I will open that up so you can see it. All right, another little bag to hold some things. You know, the girls can always use a bag. It does say BH Cosmetics on the front. Sorry about my nails, y'all. I haven't gotten them done. Actually, I'm not sorry. I'll be working. Inside of here are the brushes. You get a flat top brush. I wonder on the back, does it say which brushes are which? So on my other one, it did tell me like which brushes are used for what. Yep. Very soft, just like the other brushes that I got, but I'm very excited to use these when I go on my cruise. I'm just gonna put them in this bag and keep it moving. Oh, I love that flat top brush so much. I like this little color. I'm glad I got that. I will put that back in the box for now. I did get a couple more beauty blenders. I heard that this beauty blender, which is the perfecting sponge, was really soft. And I also got just one that's called a beauty sponge. So they're both like this. And I want to feel this one. The review said that this was very soft. And it is. It's very soft. As you can see, the one blender that I do have, I've been using quite a lot, even though I wash it. But this is very soft. And then let's try this one. This one feels like the other one. This one feels like my pink one. So I'm excited to use that. Blend foundation and other complexion makeup effortlessly. And apply liquids and creams evenly. This one is for application. This one is for blending, which I'm gonna mix them up and that's fine. Because I'm grown. I can't remember which one was a gift, which one I got free. I can check my receipt in a minute and I will. This is a Cashmere Cream Comfort lipstick. It's like this. There's a color. It's a lot like the blush color that I got, but that's fine because a few extra lips ain't never hurt nobody. And I want to open this up so you can see it. I guess I could just rip it out the box since I'm going to keep it. The color is roast. When I think of roast, I think of two things. I think of a comedy roast and I think of roast beef, or like a pork roast. So this is called roast. I'm just tearing this up. Oh, the color is very pretty. It is a nice blush. It's a nice blushy color. Very pretty. I will be using that. I like that. And it's flat on the top so I can stand it up. I also got a floral blush. So here's the blush. Very pretty. It is on their website. Y'all, my hands are so ashy. I painted today. I spray painted. So I had to wash my hands a lot. Beautiful blush. And then one last thing. So much noise, I'm sorry. I don't even know what this is. Oh, when stuff takes a long time, I be forgetting what it is. Oh yes, my Nouveau Naturals 26 color shadow and blush palette. Yes. If you watch my other videos that I actually used eyeshadow, my palette is really old and I needed one. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. Gently open, look how pretty. I love a white and gold packaging. My desk is white and gold. And here is what's inside, if I can get it open without tearing it up. Yes, okay, so I like that it has the little clear thing on the front that tells you every single color. I did get a little bit of a smudge, but that's all right. So if I ever want to remember what color I used, that is very helpful. Let me take it off so you can see it without the cover. So beautiful. I think new palettes are going to be like my vice. Like I'm going to be just purchasing palettes, even though I love this neutral. I think I will be using neutral most, but I love a good palette. So anyway, those are the things that I purchased. Again, their shipping takes a week, a full week. I don't even know if they offered rush shipping, which I should have ordered. Like, I mean, I should have gotten it just so I can get it a few days early. But I will be trying this makeup on very, very soon so you can see what it looks like. Again, that is BH Cosmetics. This is not a sponsored video. I just liked when Slim Roche offered some affordable products in one of her videos. She mentioned this. Went to their website. Listen, if you sign up on their website, they send emails literally every day. Like 40% off, 50% off. It's crazy. It's crazy. So if you don't want to get their emails and you don't want to be tempted, don't sign up. But do order from them. They have decent items at a decent price. So I look forward to trying these for you. But I think that's all for now. That's all I have. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get all of the info early and often, okay? Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a good day.